Okay? Now, when we said you as an emphasis, it's tasa. So we also use the sh, sa endings. So your friend, the harasa. And your father, daharsha. Okay? So I might say, Karas Anam the Dahara. What's your friend's name? And you would say, Myra Sanamjit, so Mary's her name. And you might ask me, Agus Karas Anam the Daharasa. And what's your friend's name? And I might say, Sean Sanamdo. Okay? So that's when you'd use these sas and shas on there, is you use them to emphasize one person as opposed to another. You can also use fein as an ending. Sometimes there's a Tadasanam da Dahara fein. What's your own friend's name? Okay? Now, for his, it's a little different. The word for his to emphasize is sheshin or eshin. So it's a different ending, it's shen or son. Okay? So if I want to say his friend, it's a harasan. And his father, a ahershen. Okay? And when you have these, you're going to have some form of the word like mo or da or a somewhere in the sentence, and also you're going to have this stuck on some word somewhere. Okay? Right now we're just doing simple things, but this happens all throughout sentences in Irish. Hers, hers is shisha or isha, is she is emphasis. So her something, use the sha, sa, which is what's used for most of these, okay? So her friend, a karasa. And her father, a haharsha. Okay? So a hahar by itself is her father, and the sha is this honor to say that's hers, okay? So I might be pointing to people, say shin maharsha, that's my father, I guess is a shin, a haharsha, okay? It's her father, okay? Now ours, we said was either, us is either shinna or mujna, so use the na ending. It's either na or na. So our friend, our garana. And our father, our naharnya. Okay? And were, you use the sh, sa endings. Same. So your friend, were garasa. And your father, were naharsha. And there you use the shan, son endings again, kind of like you did for his. Okay? So their friend, a garasan. And their father, a naharshan. Okay? So I might ask, let's see, so, and what kataga? Do you have a cat? Neil, that's right. Okay. All right. And we'll, this might get hard to do. We'll come back to you. Okay. We'll cut agatsa. So do you have? Okay, and so here's another example. And we'll cut agatsa. So agat is do you have. We'll cut agat. But if you want to emphasize it, you put the same ending here, sa, because agat ends in a. Okay? I guess karasanam. Okay, so karasanam, what is the name? The chatsa to your cat. Okay, so I'm just emphasizing that. Okay, I guess and we'll madraga. Okay, well katagat. I guess karasanam the chatsa.
Ambersanam
Do.
G.
Or G. Okay, so girl cat. Okay. I guess, what monk I got? I guess, karasanam to the one kisha. I guess, karasanam to the one kisha.
Don't name him George.
I have to think about it.
Shorsh is George.
Get a second?
We haven't got as far as naming the monkey.
Yeah, we haven't got that far. Oh, I know. Jorge is Anando.
Jorge. Actually, it should be Shorsh is George. So Shorsh is Anando.
Maybe he's a South American.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. agus Randy an bhfuil cinín agad.
Tá.
Agus cad is anam dad a cinín seo. Cinín's a rabbit.
I have to remember where to put the name in the sentence. I'm looking it up.
So you start off with a name.
Mashakla genus and
J?
D.
J, okay. It's a girl rabbit, so. Saclagine.
Who?
Saclagine. Chocolate.
Michelle. Is that French?
Okay.
No, it's Gaelic.
Okay. I guess a ribbard. And will Madra egg the walk? So does your son have a?
Oh.
I guess Karasanam Dawadrasan.
I would say I've forgotten.
Oh, Rennie McJarman. Tom McJarman Hugum. I have forgotten it. Tom
I call her
McJarman.
the dingo bitch because she looks like a dingo, but I can't remember her name.
Okay.
How do you say I forgot?
What?
And my story comes together.
Rennie McJarman is I forgot. Or you can say Tashe. Jarman. So Rennie McJarman means I forgot. If you want to say I forgot it, it's a little bit better. Tashe Jarman I have it forgotten. Okay. Jarman, yeah, Jarman means a mistake or forget something. So Rennie McJarman, yeah.
Like the guy's name, Jeremy?
No, that's spelled differently.
D-E-A-R-M?
Jarman, yeah, D-E-A-R-M-A-D.
M-A-D,
Okay.
It's not German.
No. Okay. I guess. Let's see. So and we'll cut Numadra give. I guess Kintanamata Erwar Madrana. Erwar Madrasa. Do. Okay. I guess Faragan will cut the gut. I guess Karasanam the Khatsa. Chai Sanam Do Nuji. Okay. I guess Pam. And we'll Madra Agatsa. Is Karasanam Do? Okay. Right. Or I can say Karasanam Dosan. What's his name? Okay. So you can stick these endings onto just about anything. You just have to kind of. So Karasanam Dosan. What's his name? Okay. I guess Achivin and will Madra Ikpam. I guess Karasanam Do.
Finn.
Finnisanam, right.
Finn is Sanam.
Dawaradrasan, right? Yeah, they're done. That's a calculator. Okay. So maybe Jeremy Durain, yeah. Okay, now. All right. Why don't we go ahead and have a break here and then we'll get some caffeine in you and all.